Our next topic is kidney stones, chapter 11, class 10, biology, homeostasis. What are kidney stones? Kidney stones or renal stones are the hard deposits of heavy salts like oxalates in the kidney or kidneys. When we eat the food which contain heavy salts like calcium oxalate or calcium phosphate, these salts start to gather in the kidneys, and with time they make hard balls, hard deposits which are called kidney stones. These kidney stones are very difficult to move out of the kidneys, and also lack of proper drinking of water, less drinking of water leads to renal stones. The symptoms and the causes of kidney stones include, the causes of kidney stones are, I already have told you, but which foods contain these heavy salts are usually green vegetables. Eating too much green vegetables cause heavy salts to get into the kidneys to form kidney stones. Also, too much intake of vitamin C or D or both causes kidney stone. Alcoholic consumption is another reason for kidney stones. Some other inflammatory diseases, some other infections of urinary system may also lead to the kidney stones, but these three are the common causes of kidney stones: green vegetables, vitamin C or vitamin D, and alcohol. What are symptoms of kidney stones? How can you know that you have kidney stone in your body? Symptoms of kidney stone include, the signals or symptoms of symbols of kidney stone include too much pain, in lower abdomen. This type of pain is called colic. This is the most common symptom of kidney stone. Second symptom of kidney stone is frequent urination. You go to toilet too much frequently. Third main symptom of kidney stone is foul smelling urine. Means your urine smells very bad. Kidney stone can be treated by drinking plenty of water. About 90% kidney stone can be resolved by drinking water. But if drinking plenty of water does not improve the condition, then the surgery or operation is required. In surgery, the kidney stones are removed by surgical tools by some surgeon, and if you don't want to be a victim of a surgeon, then there is another technique, another treatment for kidney stones which called lithotripsy. In lithotripsy, the stones are broken down by using radiations. Those radiations which are not ionizing, these radiations are used to break down the kidney stones. Litho means stone, tripsy means breaking. Breaking the kidney stones by use of radiations from outside the body. These radiations only and only fall on the kidney stones, and they break down the kidney stones into sand like material, which is then removed with the urine outside the body.